Orbiting high above the moon, a new outpost will change the future of human exploration. Known as Gateway, this small space station will orbit the moon and serve as a hub for Artemis missions. Gateway will follow a unique lunar orbit, allowing access to many regions on the moon. It will support astronauts when they go for missions to the lunar surface and beyond. Spacecrafts like Orion will dock at Gateway, allowing crews to transfer, resupply, and plan surface operations. Inside Gateway, astronauts will live and work for short missions, conducting science and testing new technologies. Built with international partners, Gateway represents global cooperation in space exploration. It will help enable missions to the moon's south pole, a key target for future exploration. It will also serve as a proving ground for technologies needed for future human missions to Mars. Gateway is more than a space station. It's also a stepping stone, connecting Earth, the moon, and humanity's future in deep space. Learn more about career and technical education at ctemonth.org and NASA Hunch at nasahunch.com.